guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Immy. If you are new here, I love to share absolutely everything related to health, beauty and wellness. Today I am sharing a very amazing remedy. It's an all-natural hair remedy and this is perfect for hair fall and also hair growth, and I'm going to be sharing my rosemary water recipe. This is a proven remedy. It's not like a dud recipe where you just mix stuff up, put it on your face or put it on your hair. This remedy is literally backed by science, and as a lot of you guys know that have been watching me previously, I am a pharmacist, and the best hair growth treatment that you can get on the market in any pharmacy is minoxidil. This remedy, this all-natural remedy, actually works just as good as minoxidil, and I was going through some studies, and there have been quite a few studies where they tested out rosemary water alongside minoxidil, and they found that the rosemary water actually works just as good as the minoxidil. So minoxidil is a chemical. It's pretty expensive. Like one canister of it costs about $75 in Australia, which is about 1 month supply, and this is a way easier to do. Of course, it is less than $1 to make, and I'm going to be sharing my recipe, and then I'm going to be sharing my method of how I apply it personally and how I use it on my daughter as well, and how my entire family is using this for hair growth. So let's go ahead and make the recipe. Make sure you guys do watch till the very end because the method is quite important, and I know you guys don't want to miss that out. Keep on watching. So a while back, me and my daughter were experiencing extreme hair loss, and we needed a really quick and easy and very effective remedy to reduce our hair loss and also boost our hair growth. And when I started doing some research, I found out that rosemary water actually helps hair grow up to ½ an inch in a week. So rosemary is a shrub. It's a very fragrant shrub which should be available at most grocery stores. I actually had a huge rosemary plant growing in my front yard, and it smells beautiful. So I got about 12 rosemary leaves, and I'm going to wash these up. I'm going to cut this up, and I am going to be mixing this with around 3 cups of water. Rosemary oil is known to be antifungal and also antibacterial, which is why it is amazing at combating dandruff and also other skincare and scalp concerns. So in this remedy, I highly recommend that you follow this method, and please do not mix rosemary oil with water because that actually is insoluble and the oil stays separate to the water, and when you put that on your scalp, it can actually damage your scalp because it is way too concentrated. So after I make the spray, it takes about 20 minutes for it to cook. You want to let it cool down before you put it in any jar or any spray. It's good to keep this in the fridge. It lasts for up to 6 weeks, and I like to spray this on my hair and my daughter's hair when our hair is just out of the shower. It dries within 1 or 2 minutes. Also, you can do this on a dry scalp. It's absolutely no issues at all, and I highly recommend that you do a scalp massage after you apply this spray because it actually improves follicle circulation for maximum growth. Thank you guys so much for watching my remedy, and make sure you like my video. Bye.